Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fuse replacement is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of ensuring your Christmas lights shine brightly throughout the holiday season. This video will guide you through the process of identifying a blown fuse, selecting the correct replacement, and safely installing it, ensuring your festive decorations remain dazzling without any further mishaps or electrical hazards. Number 5. Christmas Light Fuses Kit. These Christmas light fuses are a must-have for the holiday season. They're designed to protect your lights from overloads and short circuits, keeping your festive spirit bright. Each fuse measures 3.6 by 10 mm, with a 125-volt, 5-amp rating. It's the perfect size for most Christmas light strings. This kit includes 30 fuses, providing ample replacements for your needs and even enough to share with friends and family. You'll be prepared for anything. Made from durable glass with metal caps, these fuses are built to last. The glass is filled with sand, preventing dangerous shards if they blow. They protect your circuits from overloads, overcurrent, and short circuits. Simply replace a blown fuse and your lights will be back on in a flash. Always remember to turn off the power before replacing a fuse. Double-check the size, current, and voltage ratings before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. What we like. It has a large quantity, ensuring you'll always have replacements on hand. The durable glass construction is reliable and long-lasting. If you need a safe option that won't create dangerous shards when it blows, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. As described and works as intended. We bought these when parts of our lights went out. We've had to use several and they work. They work as they are intended to do, the lights work again. Plus it's handy to have a bunch for when I do it again, lol. Number 4. VEXUNGA Christmas Light Fuses Kit. Tired of blown fuses ruining your holiday lights? This kit has you covered with a variety of sizes and amperages to fit most needs. It's the perfect solution for keeping your Christmas lights shining bright. It includes both 3.6 by 10 mm and 5 by 20 mm fuses, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of Christmas lights, fans, and other devices. You'll always have the right fuse on hand. With 2.5A, 3A, and 5A options, it's easy to find the perfect match for your specific device. Just check the rating on your device's plug to find the correct amperage. These sturdy glass fuses are safe and reliable, providing peace of mind during the holiday season and beyond. They're designed to protect your valuable lights and appliances. Each fuse type is neatly organized in its own labeled box for easy storage and selection. Finding the right fuse is quick and simple, even in a hurry. They are not just for Christmas lights. These versatile fuses are also suitable for various applications, including string lights, fans, and other 125V devices. Keep them handy all year round. What we like. This kit offers a variety of sizes and amperages, making it suitable for various Christmas light types. The different amperage options provide flexibility to match your specific needs. If you need a comprehensive kit with easy-to-find fuses, this is the one for you. What people say. These are packaged well, functional. Works great with blow-ups and Christmas lights. Nice assortment. Box has plenty of compartments. Number 3. VEXUNGA Christmas Light Fuses. These fuses are perfect for replacing blown fuses in your Christmas lights. They're made of sturdy glass and are safe for indoor and outdoor use. Say goodbye to dark Christmas lights. These fuses are designed to meet your daily replacement needs, ensuring your holiday lights stay bright. It's made from durable glass, providing reliable protection for your lights. They're built to last and withstand the rigors of the holiday season. With dimensions of 5 by 20 mm, they are the ideal size for most Christmas light strings. Ensure a snug fit and reliable performance. These fuses are rated for 5 amps and 125 volts, suitable for various light strings. Check your light's voltage rating for compatibility. They come in a sturdy box for easy storage and organization. Keep them handy for quick replacements when needed. They're compatible with a wide range of lights, including C7, C9, and other string lights. It's a versatile solution for all your holiday lighting needs. What we like. It comes in a convenient 5 by 20 mm size, a popular choice for many Christmas lights. The 5 amp rating is suitable for a wide range of applications. If you need a simple, reliable replacement in a common size, this is a great option. What people say. These LED bulbs allow me to run the lights as long as I want, knowing I am using much less power. If you have a Christmas village, you need these lights. Worked great for our deck and patio lighting. Just the right size and plenty. The 5 amp fuse has not blown after a couple of weeks of daily on and off of the lights. Number 2. SIXQJZML F3AL fuses. These fuses are essential for protecting your electrical circuits. They're small but mighty, ensuring your devices stay safe. Made with high-quality glass, it offers superior durability and reliability. It's built to last. With a 3A current and 125V voltage rating, it's perfect for various applications. Double-check your needs before ordering. Each fuse measures just 0.39 by 0.14 inches, making it ideal for tight spaces. They come in a handy plastic box for easy storage. This pack includes 10 fuses, providing you with a convenient supply. Always confirm the size, voltage, and current before purchasing. Simply replace a blown fuse with one of these to restore power. Remember to always check your device's specifications first. What we like. With a 3 amp rating, it's ideal for lower power lights. Its fast blow design offers quick protection against overloads. If you are looking for a small, efficient fuse for your lights, this is a good option. What people say. The fuses matched the ones inside of my current lights and the lights worked immediately. After reading reviews on fuses, I check all fuses when I get them with a multimeter. In this batch of 10 I had one that tested bad. You don't want to find out you grabbed a bad one when crawling around in a hot attic to replace a bad fuse with a bad fuse. So far the good replacement has worked without issue. Needed to replace a fuse in a string of patio lights and this worked perfectly. Number 1. BOJACK Christmas Light Fuse Kit. Introducing the BOJACK Christmas Light Fuse Kit, your solution for keeping your holiday lights shining bright. This kit contains a variety of fuses to handle any situation. It's made with high-quality, fast-blow glass fuses for reliable protection. These fuses are designed to quickly and safely blow to prevent damage to your lights. You'll receive 2 convenient sizes, 3.6 by 10 mm and 5 by 20 mm, ensuring compatibility with most Christmas lights. This provides a comprehensive solution for your holiday lighting needs. They come in a range of amperages, 2.5A, 3A, 4A, 5A, and 8A. This ensures you have the right fuse for every light strand. All 100 fuses are neatly organized in a durable plastic storage case. This keeps everything safe and easy to find when you need it. This complete kit provides everything you need to keep your Christmas lights working throughout the holiday season. Enjoy worry-free holiday lighting with this essential kit. What we like. This kit includes an assortment of fuse sizes and amperages, catering to a wide range of needs. The convenient storage case keeps everything organized. If you need a variety of fuses for different applications, this is the kit for you. What people say. This kit contains all the fuses for different types of lighting strings on the market. Quality fuses for the price. If you have any kind of Christmas lighting, outdoor lighting, extension cords or anything that takes a small fast blow glass fuse, you need to have this kit on hand. My wife was about to throw away 2 nice indoor extension cords that we use for the Christmas tree and indoor Christmas lighting, because they wouldn't work. Each had fuses and the fuses were blown. One had a spare already in it and I replaced the fuse. The other did not. Each of them took a different size fuse. I ordered this fuse kit and it had both sizes. Replaced the spare in the one and added a new fuse and a spare to the second. 2 perfectly good extension cords back in action. Needed a new fuse for a fan and this had exactly the size I needed. Plus a bunch of other popular fuses I might need in the future. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.